Namaste friends, welcome to Dhoni Classes Jevargi. Today we will be starting with the new chapter, that is surface area and volumes, class 9 CBSE or NCERT. Okay, in this lesson we will be having set of formulas. Yes or no? Set of formulas. Formulas related to number 1, cuboid. Cuboid is having 3 dimensions. Number 1, length. Number 2, breadth. Number 3, height. Total how many faces are there? 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. 6 faces. One face is nothing but what? One rectangle. One face is nothing but what? One rectangle. How do you know? Yes or no? One face is nothing but what? One rectangle. That is one length and one height. Correct? Length and height. Here, this rectangle is having height and breadth. Height and breadth. Okay. The top rectangle is having length and breadth. Length and breadth. Bottom, that side, it is having breadth and length. This part, it is having what? Breadth and height. The total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area, TSA, of cuboid is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth, down part. Next, plus length into breadth, upper part. Next, height into breadth, side part. Height into breadth. Okay, back left side part. This is also height into breadth. Height into breadth. Okay, top aitu. Next length into height. The front part, length into height. And the back side part, length into height plus length into height. LB plus LB, 2LB. HB plus HB, 2HB. LH plus LH, 2LH. What is common here? 2. 2 in bracket, LB plus HB or BH. BH plus HL or LH. Correct? This is nothing but what? Total surface area. Total surface area of a cuboid. 2 in bracket, LB plus BH plus HL. If the top part is open and the bottom part is open, then what is the formula? Top part to open other, bottom part to open other. That is nothing but what? Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL minus n minus ಮಾಡೋಕೆ क्या minus करना है इसके अंदर? ऊपर वाला हिस्सा, that is length into breadth minus length into breadth minus length into breadth only, length into breadth. Okay, this is equal to 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL minus 2LB. 2LB cancel. What is the common here? 2 common and H is also common. 2H in bracket B plus L. This is the lateral surface area. It is also called as curved surface area. CSA is nothing but what? LSA. TS is total surface area and LSA or CSA is lateral surface area. The formula for lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2H in bracket L plus B. Correct? This is the first figure. Let us move on to the second figure, that is cube. Okay. Cube is having how many faces?
6.
Total 6 faces. And it is having length A, breadth also A, height also A. All sides are equal. That means total surface area. Total surface area. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿಟ್ವಿ, एक छोड़ दिया हम, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. yes or no? अगले दो volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Next comes what? Cube. Total surface area of cube is equal to length into, sorry, total how many faces? First face A into A into A plus A into A. How many faces total? 6 faces. 6 into A into A. This is equal to 6A square. Total surface area is 6A square. Then comes what? Lateral surface area. Mr. Auti, lateral surface area of a cube is equal to the top part and the bottom part are open. दो पार्ट ओपन है, इसके अंदर क्या माइनस करना हम? 6A स्क्वायर माइनस टॉप का A इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस बॉटम का A इंटू ए स्क्वायर. 6 minus 1 5, 5 minus 1 4A square. What is the lateral surface area of a cube? 4A square. Total surface area of a cube 6A square. Volume of cube is equal to A into A, length into breadth into height, A into A. This is nothing but what? A cube. The formula of volume of a cube is nothing but what? A cube. A cube is a cube. Next comes the third part. What is the third figure? Cylinder. Circular cylinder. Right circular means what? You can make perpendicular height. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ perpendicular height ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ right circular cylinder ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Right circular cylinder is having what? Total 2 dimensions, 2 main values. One is radius of bottom circle or top circle and the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder h and the radius of the bottom circle or circular part. These are nothing but what? These are the given values. Next, what we need to find out? Total surface area. Total surface area. Let us consider one circle. Circle का कौन सा part आप क्या है फील कर सकते हैं? ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಔಟರ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀನು? ಬರೇ ಈಗ ರಿಂಗ್ ಐತಿ, ಬಳಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬರೇ ನೀನು? ಔಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀನು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ 2πr. 2πr. Correct? Next, then 1 2 3 4 5 n numbers. The height of all circles is nothing but what? H. If you add all those things, you will get what? One cylinder. सब सर्कल ऐड करें तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? एक सिलेंडर. ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಿನಗೆ? ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. What is the height here? Height h 2πrh. ಹೌದಾ? Only the CSA. What is this? CSA. But the bottom circle part you can feel. The top circle part it is also filled, completely full. ಇದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. ಸೀಲ್ ಆಗೈತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸೀಲ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. दोनों सील हुआ. सील अंग ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? क्लोज्ड ಅಂದ್ರೆ टोटल सरफेस एरिया. ओपन इधर लैटरल CSA. क्लोज रहे तो TSA, ओपन रहे तो CSA. हम क्या फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं अब? TSA. TSA इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? 2πrh प्लस लोअर पार्ट एंड अपर पार्ट. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल प्लस एरिया ऑफ सर्कल प्लस दो ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ πr² ಪ್ಲಸ್ πr². अर्थ ಆಗ್ತದ? ओके, ಏನೇನು ऐड ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಹೇಳು? क्या क्या ऐड करें आप? 2πr 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 2πr. How many height? h is the height. This is curved surface area. 2πr into h, 2πrh plus the bottom circle part, that is area of circle. The top circle part, area of circle, πr². 2πrh plus 2πr². What is the common here? 2πr in bracket h plus r plus h plus r. This is total surface area TSA. What is curved surface area CSA? Only 2πr into h. 2 pi r h is nothing but what? CSA of cylinder. What is the TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r in bracket r plus h or h plus r is nothing but what? Total surface area of a cylinder. Right, circular cylinder. Okay. Next comes volume. Volume is equal to area of one circle, area of second circle, area of perimeter तगोंड्रे perimeter लिए बोले तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? TSA and CSA मिलेगा. Perimeter लिए तो अब perimeter नहीं ले रहा मैं. Okay, I will be taking only the areas of first circle, areas of second circle, area of third circle. Area of circle is pi r square. How many areas? H areas. Pi r square into h. Volume of a cylinder pi r square h. Next comes right circular cone. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Circular cone. Let us consider one cone. This is nothing but what? This is the cone. Cone is having 3 points. Number 1, the radius. Number 1 is the radius. Number 2, height. Number 3, slant height. This is slant height. What is this? Slant height. L is equal to question mark. This is the radius. R is equal to question mark. This is the height. H is equal to question mark. Since it is making one right angle triangle, yes or no? Since it is making right angle triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem here. By Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square, that is L square, is equal to the side square plus second side square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, L square is, what is L? Is equal to under root of H square plus R square. The formula to find out the lateral surface area, the slant height. This is the slant height. Slant height of a cone is nothing but what? L is equal to under root of H square plus R square. क्वेश्चन के अंदर lateral surface area नहीं दिए रहते, तुम find out करना. फॉर्मूला कौन सा? L is equal to under root of H square plus R square. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ L ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಆರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. L ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ? ಅಂಡರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ H ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ, ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? CSA, curved surface area of CSA of cone. CSA of cone is formula. What is the formula? Pi r into L. Pi r into L. Hang bantri sir, pi r into L. Pi r into L hang bantu. Look here. This is the, what is this? Right angle triangle. Correct? This triangle is having the base. What is the base here? Base is equal to radius. What is the height? Height is equal to h only. Correct? Since it is rotating, rotating means 2 pi r. Yes or no? Rotating means 2 pi r. Base is having what? Only, not only r, it is having 2 pi r. Height is h. Base is 2 pi r. Height is h. The formula to find out the area of a circle, area of a triangle. What is area of a triangle? Half into base into height. Half into, what is the base here? 2 pi r into, what is the height? H. 2 to cancel. Okay, what is the height here? Height is nothing but what? Slant height. You have to take what? Slant height, because this is not the height, this actual height is slant height. So pi r, instead of h you have to take what? L, because here slant height is the actual height, the height h is not actual height. This is nothing but what? This is what? CSA of cone. Next comes what? TSA of cone is equal to CSA of cone plus area of a circle. ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ? ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಬರೇ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದಲು ಓಪನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಓಪನ್ ರಹೆ ತೋ ಕ್ಯಾ? CSA. क्लोज रहे तो TSA. CSA के अंदर क्या ऐड करना? एरिया पे सर्कल. ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳು? ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? Pi r L is nothing but what? कर्ड सरफेस एरिया, उसके अंदर क्या ऐड करना, सर्कल ऐड करना, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल पाई आर स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज द कॉमन हियर, पाई आर इज कॉमन. ओके, आर प्लस एल, पाई आर इन ब्रैकेट आर प्लस एल और एल प्लस आर ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆದು ನಡೀತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ, ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಚ್ ಬರ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. It is already proven. Okay, what is proven here? Volume of cone equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. 1/3 of, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. What is the volume of cone? Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Why 1/3? Because volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ದು 1/3 ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎದ್ರದ್ದಿರ್ತದ, ಕೋನ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/3 ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೆಚ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. Hemisphere or sphere? Sphere. Okay, sphere is having the radius. This is the radius. Total 4 dimensions. How many dimensions? 4. How, sir? Look here. This is the 4 dimensions. ಈ ಥರ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐತೆ, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. How many dimensions? 4 dimensions. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾವೆ, ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಥ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಾವೆ, 4 ಸರ್ಕಲ್, 2 ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್? ಟೋಟಲ್ 4 ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. This is the formula. Yes or no? What is the formula for TSA of a sphere? 4 pi r square. Then CSA, curved surface area. इधर close नु इधे, open नु इधे. Yes or no? इसको open कर नहीं सकते. We can't open it. That means what? CSA is also 4 pi r square. Then what is the volume? 4/3 pi r cube. इधर हैंग बनतो ये कैसा आया, बाद में देखेंगे. This is the formula to find out the volume of sphere. What is the volume of sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Next comes the last one, that is hemisphere. Amma thai. This is called as what? Hemisphere. Whenever you will be not having money, you have to take it and go to every home beside your home and beg like Amma thai. They will give 1 rupee coin. Take it and take one chocolate. Which one? Dark chocolate. Heart melody chocolate. Tindu hoti tumkore. This is called as what? Amma thai. Or nothing but what? Hemisphere. Hemisphere, it is also called as Amma thai. Okay, it is having radius r, the top circle and the 2 bottom circles. Okay, the front circle and the back side circle. Front side circle, back side circle. That means what? TSA of hemisphere. TSA of hemisphere is 3 circles. 3 circles means 3 pi r square. If you open the upper part, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, CSA. ಓಪನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ CSA, क्लोज आदरा TSA. हेमिस्फीयर इज इक्वल टू, ओपन हुआ, एक माइनस करो इसके अंदर का, एक सर्कल माइनस करो, 2 pi r square. 3 pi r square TSA, 2 pi r square CSA. Then volume of hemisphere. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? 4/3 pi r cube. ಪೂರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಇದ್ರ ಹಾಫ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳು? ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2. 2 1 2 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? 2/3 pi r cube. bypass ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಐತಾ? Is it necessary to bypass it? No, it is always easy whenever you understand it. Okay, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಂತರ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ 13.1.